think now that agreement has sealed and signed. There is a demand from Assam opposition also to revisit. But I have answered in the assembly that after all these are lands belongs to India. As a brothers, as a sisters, we have signed an agreement. We have come to a closure so far as that Sikh site is concerned. So we should not reopen the issue. You cannot have happy out of every agreement. Only things that countries should be happy. Always there will be individual who will be unhappy, but nation should be happy. That should be our motto. I don't want to comment anything on the opposition in Meghalaya side, because this is a duty of the Chief Minister of Meghalaya to handle any congratulation or any criticism. But so far as Assam is concerned, we have replied all the criticism in assembly, and by and large Assam civil society is backing the government completely. We are under the umbrella of National Drugs Control effort. There is already a coordinated effort among the all police forces in the northeastern region. Many a times we actually nab some drug peddlers or seize huge quantity of drugs. Basically, sometimes those information also come from our sister states in the northeastern region. So war against drugs is a coordinated effort, and it is not an isolated war.
Sir, you said BJP. There are certain sections say that you are a fit person to replace Amit Shah.
We should not say all these things. We should, as a BJP, everyone is a simple karyakarta. In life, one identity will remain with us, that you are a karyakarta. The post, chief minister, minister, these will come and go. But the identity as a karyakarta of BJP, that will remain with us.
Sir, you said that by June, July, you will start talk for the second round. By when it is likely to
I mean, these are difficult terrain. The second 6 sites, out of 6, at least 3-4 are very, very toughly contested area. So now we have created a goodwill among both the states, and basically banking on that goodwill, probably we can start working on. But how and when it will end, this is difficult to predict as of now.
3 states are going to the polls next year, including Meghalaya. What will be the role of BJP? I don't think
BJP will contest. BJP has a good presence in Meghalaya, and we will try to improve our tally from the last time.
So are you hopeful that the second phase of resolving this interstate border issue to be solved in the same way as the first phase?
I mean, you see that second phase is most complicated and most contested area, because it has lumpy, it has block 1, block 2. However, we have created a goodwill among the states. Now, at least both the government and citizen of Assam and Meghalaya are not talking in terms of conflict, they are talking in terms of resolution of conflict. So we'll banking on the gains, whatever we have in the first phase, we'll start dialogue for the second phase, and I am confident that at some point of time we will have resolution on that 6 also. But when and how soon, how far, it will be difficult to answer at this stage.
सर जैसे लगता है कि मेघालय के साथ स्वल्प हुआ उस तरह और भी नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न स्टेट के साथ
अरुणाचल का साथ हमारा बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट जल्दी ही निपट जाएगा। मिजोरम एंड नागालैंड थोड़ा सा शुरुआती बातचीत है। नागालैंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट में है और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में केस काफ़ी आगे चला गया है, तो नागालैंड का बारे में बोलना थोड़ा मुश्किल है। मेघालय में शुरुआती बात हुआ है, लेकिन अरुणाचल में हम एक ब्रॉड अंडरस्टैंडिंग में पहुंच चुका हूं। अभी डिटेलिंग करने का बाकी है, और मैं अरुणाचल का साथ बॉर्डर डिस्प्यूट रिजोल्यूशन में मैं काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ और मैं बहुत होपफुल हूँ.